Your SEO efforts suck. I'm sorry about that. That is just an attention-grabbing headline. I know by this stage of the game, you have more than likely already done loads of on-page optimization. You've mastered your URL slugs. They're spot on. You've done H1 tags, H2 tags, H3 and H4. You've got great text, amazing images that have got alt text and descriptions. You've even got a great internal linking structure. But when you search in Google, what happens? You're down at page 7, page 8, page 9, and you just aren't ranking for those keywords. Why is this? Because everyone else has done the same thing. So it's easy for me to judge, but what is the answer to your SEO nightmare? Well, you need to come on my SEO training, and here's why. Because I can guarantee you aren't doing the activity that needs to be done to help your site rank on the top page of Google. I can guarantee you aren't doing each and every one of these things. One of the main activities you aren't doing is backlink building, and the reason is because it is hard. Well, it is hard if you do not know what you're doing. There are so many ways to get backlinks for your website, and on my training I show you the easy ways to go and get these. It's easy for people like Yoast, SEMrush, Moz to tell you to go out and to do some blogger outreach. So look at it this way. You send an email to 100 bloggers. Hi there, love your blog. I can see you've worked really hard on it, producing great content for your audience. Would you mind if I give you a guest post with my crappy spammy link back to my website? Of course, you never hear back from them. And I know this because I've done it myself in the past. Instead, I will show you where to go to get a diverse range of backlinks into your website. And more importantly, I'm going to show you 2 or 3 tips and tricks, which are white hat SEO practices that will help your site rank up in the search engines. And if you do not do these, you will not rank on page 1, and you certainly will not rank at the top of page 1. Why have I done this training? Because there's every chance after this you may take me on as your SEO agent, but if not, you will have the tools and the know-how how to do SEO the right way. I know this because I've been doing it for well over 10 years. I've taught businesses and individuals and managed the SEO for some large e-commerce brands over the years. And today you can sign up to my course. It's a 1-day Zoom course. It's on several times a week, and you will have the tools after just 1 day of training to go out and do these things yourself. I will give you the support to do this yourself. You do not need to use me for further SEO, but if you do, that would be wonderful. If you don't, you will have the tools and know-how how to go out there and to get your site to rank high in Google. Do the training. I know you aren't doing these things. You definitely aren't doing these things. Do these, rank higher in search, get more leads, get more sales, get more business.